I was just as skeptical as you might be right now, until I saw the difference these superfoods made in my own life. After years of discomfort and trying endless treatments, these natural powerhouses did what expensive medications couldn't. Now, I walk 3 miles daily without pain, and I'm about to show you how you can experience the same freedom. The silent warning signs your legs might be giving you. Ever wake up feeling like your legs are heavy, swollen, or achy? It seems normal, but these could be your body's way of signaling a deeper issue. Many of us struggle with varicose veins, poor circulation, cramps, tingling, and muscle weakness. Instead of finding natural solutions, we often rely on costly medications packed with side effects, without realizing that diet plays a huge role in leg health. What most people don't know is that certain superfoods can restore circulation, strengthen veins, and bring back energy to your legs. So why aren't these natural remedies more well known? Simple. It doesn't make money for big corporations. But today, I'm sharing the 5 best superfoods to naturally restore leg strength and vitality. Plus, I'll show you how to use them for the best results. How diet affects your legs. Your food choices directly impact leg health, but most doctors won't mention this. Certain nutrients reduce inflammation, reinforce blood vessels, and drastically boost circulation. And this isn't just opinion. Scientific research backs it up. A study from the University of Exeter found that vegetables rich in natural nitrates improve circulation and increase muscle endurance by 20%. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition found that anthocyanin-rich foods strengthen blood vessels and lower the risk of varicose veins and blood clots. Let's dive into the top 5 superfoods that can change your leg health. 1. Beetroot, a natural circulation booster. Beetroot is one of the most powerful foods for vascular health. It's loaded with natural nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and improves blood flow. A study from the University of Washington found that drinking beetroot juice daily reduces vein pressure and enhances muscle oxygenation. What does this mean for you? Less swelling, fewer varicose, veins, greater stamina. How to use it? Raw is best since cooking reduces nitrate levels. Drink fresh beet juice 3 to 4 times per week, or grate beetroot into salads or smoothies. 2. Ginger, nature's anti-inflammatory hero. Ginger has incredible benefits for your veins. It thins the blood, helping prevent dangerous clots, while its antioxidants protect blood vessels from damage. A Journal of Vascular Medicine study revealed that ginger dilates blood vessels, improving circulation, especially in the legs. How to use it? Boil 3 thin slices of ginger in hot water for 10 minutes and drink as tea 2 to 3 times a week. Add grated ginger to salads or blend it into smoothies. 3. Brazil nuts, the ultimate vein protector. Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium, a mineral essential for vein elasticity and strength. Research from the University of Sao Paulo found that selenium reduces vascular inflammation and improves circulation. Brazil nuts also contain healthy fats that lower bad cholesterol, making it easier for oxygen to reach your leg muscles. How to use it? Eat 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day. Too much selenium can be harmful. Enjoy them as a snack or sprinkle crushed nuts over meals. 4. Dark leafy greens, your veins' best friend. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamin C and K, which strengthen blood vessel walls and prevent clotting issues. They're also rich in antioxidants that protect veins from damage. A study published in Advances in Nutrition found that vitamin K helps regulate calcium in the arteries, reducing the risk of vascular stiffness and promoting healthy circulation. How to use it? Eat them raw in salads, blend into smoothies, or saute lightly with olive oil. 5. Garlic, a natural blood flow enhancer. Garlic is known for its powerful cardiovascular benefits, particularly in improving circulation. It contains allicin, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and prevent plaque buildup. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that garlic supplementation improves blood flow and reduces arterial stiffness, making it a key food for overall vascular health. How to use it. Add fresh garlic to meals, make garlic-infused olive oil, or take a garlic supplement for maximum benefits. The power of healing plants for leg health. For centuries, natural plant remedies have been used to support circulation and vein strength. Here are some of the best. 1. Horse chestnut. Contains essin, a compound that reduces swelling, strengthens veins, and improves circulation. Available as tea, capsules, or liquid extract. 2. Gotu kola. Strengthens veins and improves microcirculation, reducing leg fatigue. Take as tea or in capsule form. 3. Ginkgo biloba. Enhances blood flow to legs and feet, reducing cramps and pain. Enjoy as tea or supplements. 4. Witch hazel, a natural anti-inflammatory that treats vein inflammation and relieves muscle pain. 5. Rosemary, not just a flavorful herb. It also boosts circulation and soothes muscle discomfort. Use in cooking or as tea. Are your habits making leg problems worse? Even the best diet won't help if harmful habits are damaging your circulation. Here are some things to watch out for. Sitting or standing too long. Blood needs movement. Take breaks every 30 minutes to stretch and walk around. Eating too much processed food. Excess sodium causes swelling and worsens varicose veins. Swap sulfur herbs like turmeric, garlic, and rosemary. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration thickens your blood, making circulation harder. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Wearing tight clothes or high heels often. These restrict blood flow. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing that won't constrict circulation. A powerful homemade drink for healthy legs. This simple homemade elixir combines all 3 superfoods into one powerful drink. Ingredients: 1 medium raw beetroot chopped, 3 centimeters piece of fresh ginger grated, 1 cup of water, juice from half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 Brazil nut crushed. Instructions: blend everything until smooth. Strain if you prefer a lighter texture. Drink this on an empty stomach 3 to 4 times per week. Avoid drinking at night, as ginger can be energizing. You don't have to live with leg pain, swelling, or varicose veins. With the right foods, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies, you can restore circulation and regain energy. Nature provides powerful solutions, but the choice is yours. Will you ignore your body signals or take action to improve your leg health? If this helped you, share it with someone who might be struggling in silence. Take care of your legs. They carry you through life.